Hey guys, R5 here, and today I'll be making an extension of the Death Overhead GUI video I made, but this time I'm going to apply it for any NPCs. So whenever you kill an NPC, it'll also display the Death Overhead GUI. So first I'm going to um, insert a part, and then I'm going to insert a Billboard GUI. And then inside this Billboard GUI, I'm going to insert an image label. And first we want to change the size of the Billboard GUI to 50 by 50, and then we also want to change this to 50 by 50. Now the size doesn't really matter for this. You can adjust it to however you want, but just make sure that this should align with this. Okay? Both sizes should be the same. Okay, so I'm going to continue. We can kind of see the image label over here, but it's merged with the part, so I want to move it up a bit. So I'm going to change the middle value of the studs offset to 3, and we should now see that it's visible. Okay, so we want to get the death icon now, so I already have an image created for this. So I'm going to go to my recent images. You guys can feel free to take this image. Here's the ID. All right, I'm going to copy this ID, and then I'm going to place it into the image label. All right, and then I'm going to set the background transparency to 1. Also, I didn't address this in my other video, but if you if you place a part in front of the death icon, you won't be able to see it. Well, you won't be able to see through. So in order to fix this, you want to set this property always on top to true, and now you should see it. All right. So now I'm gonna look for an NPC that moves around, so I can test this. All right, let's use this, and then let me just delete the ragdoll script so it doesn't delete the original character. Okay, I'm gonna move this Billboard GUI into this NPC's head, and then I'm going to rename it to death death icon, and then I'm going to add a script. First, I want to reference the humanoid, so I'm going to do local humanoid equals script.parent.humanoid. All right, so we already referenced this, and now I'm going to reference the death icon. So as you can see, what we want is we want this icon to show up whenever the NPC dies. So we're gonna disable this. We want this to be enabled when the NPC dies. So let's first reference it. Local death GUI equals script.parent.head.death icon. And then we want to check when the humanoid dies. So we're gonna do humanoid.died connect function, and then we want to set the death GUI the death GUI's enable property to true. All right, and then let me just give myself a weapon so I can test this out. Um, all right, that does not seem to be working, so I'm going to try to. All right, I'm going to put this into start pack, and then I'm going to test this out. All right. Okay, there we go. All right. So this script should work for all NPCs. Just make sure your NPC has a humanoid and it has, of course, a head. Just place this death icon and type up this script I made. All right, that should be it. If you guys have any suggestions or any ideas I could work on, just let me know in the comments. Anyways, thanks for watching.